Today's window air conditioners operate more quietly and efficiently than ever before, offering an optimal solution for cooling single rooms or other confined living spaces. The key to purchasing a new air conditioner is to select a model that is matched to your specific room requirements and will handle the job affordably, efficiently, and reliably. The selection process in 4 easy steps: measure, match, confirm, and check. Begin the process by measuring your room size. Calculate the length by width in feet to come up with the total square footage of the space to be cooled. Next, you'll want to match your room size with the BTU rating required to meet your cooling needs. Once you've determined these requirements, confirm the dimensions of the window opening by measuring the maximum height and width in inches. It is very important to check your electrical requirements by verifying your outlet configuration to determine if your circuit is adequate. Window air conditioner units are by far the most popular means for cooling a single room or space. These units can be easily installed in most single or double hung windows and typically come with accordion-style side panels that make for a secure, airtight fit. When it comes to room air conditioners, there are many energy-efficient models to choose from with a wide range of features designed to meet and exceed your requirements. From digital thermostats and remote controls to variable fan speeds and operating modes, Perfect Aire offers one of the most comprehensive product lines in the industry.